This is a squirrel. A squirrel, the black color. Black hairs. My background is a radio. I have a radio. Yeah. Eat more. Do not jump. Just stay there. I have the radio in my background. Don't worry about the radio. I'm listening to the news. While taking video of the squirrel, I have the radio background. I'm listening the news. Eat more. That food is not for you, that is for the birds. Why are you eating that food for the birds? A squirrel. You're naughty. Nangalot gikagid. May kay muhungit oh. May kay muhungit. Hala hungit kumbate. Kay kompetensya da ikaw risa. Ganahan kay ni sila diri sa akong backyard. Ambot lang. Bisag unsa lang ni sila. Mga birds, squirrel, rabbit.
Okay, I missed that whole section there. It's not funny.
On here?
They're talking about dropping cluster bombs.
Oh, really?
Yes. Which is very nasty.
Yeah, eat more, eat more. Kay kompetensya dia kaon. Sibo ko diri. Kay nagtalikod. Ang mata ay gasigad ako. Dakong mata. Naniri kay nagatubang na gyud. Okie dokie, that's all.